It's the week of Halloween, so we're using this super cute Halloween kit. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a plan with me for the week of October 28th through November 3rd. This week I have Monday off just because I needed a break. Also, my mom is in town and she's leaving on Monday, so I wanted to just have a little bit more time with her. Or is she leaving Tuesday? I think she's leaving Tuesday morning. Anyway, more time with my mom. This kit is so cute. This is from Handgun Plan. It's adorable. I don't know the name of it, but it is K130. And I got A, B, C, D, E, all 5 pages. I just really love the color scheme of this one. It's totally different from all of my other Halloween spreads. I just really think this is going to be super cute. I'm excited. So I'm also using this dot marker in Island Coral. I used this one last week and for some reason it's going to work with this kit too. So here is the full boxes page. We also have some quarter boxes down here. We've got lots of washi and date covers here. I always cut out the numbers to use those at another time. We've got some boxes, cute little icons and scripts, and then tons of washi here. So what I think I want to do with the bottom washi, I think I want to use this, but I think I might incorporate some of this elsewhere. I don't know. I'm still thinking it through, but that's the plan, I think. This is kind of trippy if I stare at it too long. Anyway, love the colors in this kit. I'm super excited to use that. This is my makselife planner. We are getting closer and closer to the end. If you've never seen one of my Plan As I Go Plan With Me, the way that I do mine is I go ahead and set up the week on the Sunday before, and then I will fill you in as many days as I can or want to. And at the end, I will add in some journaling and some memory keeping to make it extra special. So if you're into that, stay tuned. Let's get this spread set up. I'm going to begin with the bottom washi, as always. And I decided to go with these from the kit itself, instead of the washi page, because they just kind of fit perfectly in there, but gave me room still to do my daily gratitude. But we will incorporate some other washi throughout the spread, as you will see. So just trimming that off real quick, and then I'm moving up here to the top. So I always white out the holidays because I like to put in my own little character stickers for that. But I am making my own washi here. So I just trimmed this one strip on the washi page, and it happened to fit like perfectly. I don't know how I did that. But then I also cut it equally. Like, this was some kind of miracle happening. But I got that put in across the top of the spread, and then I trimmed it so that it matched perfectly. And then I put in the dots for the date covers, and then we're popping those in across the top of the spread. And these fit really well in that space. Love that. And I love that there's numbers included. That's always so convenient. And then I popped in the weekend banner. Y'all know I love a weekend banner. Bring them back, okay? I love a weekend banner. And then I'm putting in this dark box over here just kind of to bring in a little pop over there. And then I put in the little ghosty on the actual day of Halloween. And then I'm just filling in the other boxes wherever they will go. I love the mix of like colors and patterns in this kit. Super fun. And then on Monday, I had the day off, so I grabbed the day off sticker from the kit, and then I also grabbed a voting sticker because this was the day that I went to go and vote. And I'm just going to pop that into that little quarter box there. And then I also added in some fallback stickers, like time change stickers over there on the weekend. And then Sunday was also my friend and cousin Lauren's birthday, so I wanted to put in that. So I remembered to text her or call her. And then I'm just filling in some to-dos for the week. So since I had Monday off, I decided to run a bunch of errands, do a bunch of editing, and just kind of catch up on some things that I've been putting off. I did have to use an eraser here because for some reason I was like transferring something from somewhere, but that eraser took it off. And then I'm covering up the bottom 2 habits because I don't use those. I like 5. And then I have a box in the sidebar for my favorite moment of the week, and then I'm just filling in my habits. So these are the same habits I've been using for a few weeks, and I still have not mastered all of them, so I'm still working on them. And then just kind of checking my monthly to make sure that I'm not missing anything, and then just filling in the spread. So it is Friday. Oopsie. I meant to check in over here, but just it never happened. So, oh well. So let me catch you up. So Monday I had the day off. I got tons of stuff done. Had some family time. It's International Cat Day this day, so I'm gonna put in a picture of my kitties. Here, I don't know what I'm gonna put in, but I just relaxed because I thought it was a false alarm, I think. Hopefully. I thought I was getting a kidney stone because they tend to happen like every 6 months now. But I think we're in the clear. And then Thursday, I'm going to put in some pictures of my nephews because I went over to my sister's house and saw all of the boys. And they were so cute yesterday. Now today, thank God it's Friday. TGIF for real. Because it was a long week at work. Even though I had Monday off. It was a lot. I feel like I've said that every week, but it's true. So today I did go home and I meal planned. I ordered my groceries. What else have I been doing? I went and got coffee and I'm just relaxing. Like, yeah, it was a long week, so I need a little bit. It was a long week, so I just needed a little bit of relaxation time. But tonight, I'm going to work on my nails. I don't know if I'll paint them today. I might leave them off. I don't know. I'm going to make it up as I go. But tomorrow, my friend Kat and I are going to this Christmas market. I think it's going to be super fun. And then tonight, I'm just going to relax. Probably watch Silence of the Lambs because it's one of my favorite movies. Which I don't even like scary movies, but I love Silence of the Lambs. It's just like... that movie is perfection to me. It's so scary, but it's so good. And I love it so much. So, yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do tonight. And just kind of chill out a little bit. I'm just so tired. I don't know. This week was exhausting for no reason. Let me see if we can use one of these. Maybe a little bit. Why not, you know? So, yeah, that's the plan for tonight. And then I'm going to probably not be able to stay up too late because I'm tired. I tend to watch Silence of the Lambs every Halloween now, and it's so good. Okay, so other than that, I think I'm just going to relax. Tomorrow, I'm going to film teacher lesson planner video because that's going up on later this month. And what else? Oh, it's daylight savings time. Thank goodness we get an extra hour. I will be happy about that. I don't need to edit the teacher lesson planner video because it's not going up for a while. What else? Habits. Oh my goodness. They've been totally neglected. Oopsie. Yeah, I don't know what happened this week. I was just very unfocused. But like I've been doing stuff and I've been like working on some reflections of the year and things like that. So all is not lost. I will say that. I've been doing pretty well with my water too. I've not been tracking my sleep enough. I didn't do it last night. Oh gosh, I did it Wednesday. Yeah, so we're off on that. Skincare also, I've been a little bit lazy about the last 2 nights. So hopefully tonight I get back on it. Okay, so gratitude today. I'm going to put my brother-in-law, Sam. We work together and he is in the classroom across the hall from me. And we just been like every afternoon he comes in to my office and he's just like, what is happening? And I'm like, dude, I know. So I'm just glad I have someone to bounce ideas off of and also for validation that we're not the crazy ones. Okay, that's all I can think of right now, but I will get some stuff done tomorrow. But I think this is going to be super fun. I'm excited. Even if I don't buy a single thing, I'll have fun with that. Okay, I think that's it. I will see you tomorrow. It's Sunday. I actually sat down yesterday to film a segment and I couldn't find my dot marker. Still haven't found it. I looked all over the house twice yesterday. One of the cats, I'm guessing Teddy, stole it and put it somewhere, and I'm guessing it's under my stove. And I can't get to, I don't know. This is the second time they've done this, and I blame myself because I'm the one who left it out. I'm just so mad at myself. I left that marker and I use it all the time, and I don't know where it is. Maybe it'll turn up, maybe not. I don't know. But I did grab this one, which is not a perfect match. It's just green, but it's not actually green. It's like this color. I'm just so annoyed that I did that again. Okay, so yesterday I went to a Christmas market with my friend Kat. We had a great time. It was good. We saw a former student there. It was great. I bought a couple of Christmas gifts and a couple of things for me. Probably spent too much. I think I spent less than $100, but still, I wasn't planning to spend anything. But there were a couple of vendors there that I have like already shopped from before, and I really love them. Okay, I was going to film my teacher lesson planner video, and then I was so annoyed by the pen and marker situation that I gave up and decided to do it today. But it has to happen today because like it's the plans for next week. So that is on the list for today. And I need to update my budget. I did get my kitchen cleaned up, but the rest of the cleaning kind of just it just kind of got put to the wayside this week. But next week I'm going to be on my game. I feel like I can do that. And then so this week, or today, I'm going to edit a plan with me, fold my laundry, do my cat boxes, and then color my hair, color my roots really, not my hair. I don't think I have anything else. I already texted my cousin because it's her birthday. Why am I looking at October? Okay, here's November. I didn't even put Lauren's birthday in here. Anyway, I already texted her, and she sent me back a picture of her dressed as Willie Nelson. So I think she's going to have a good day. We both love Willie. We saw him a couple of years ago because her brother, my other cousin Brian, he works off and on with Willie's team, so he got us free tickets, and yeah, it was super fun. Love Willie so much. Okay, so next week I think I'm going to take a week off of Plan With Me's just because I feel like I need a little bit of a break before I go into my goal series in a couple weeks. So I feel like now's a good time to do that. Plus, I'm also planning to give my nails a bit of a break, and I'm going to do a little treatment on them every day. So, you know, why not just take a little break? I do that probably like 4 or 5 times a year, and it's just kind of nice every once in a while. So there will not be a Plan With Me at some point, or maybe I'll just like skip like this week or something because I just don't want it. I don't want to do it. I need a break. So that's the plan. I'll figure out the schedule later. But anyway, I need to finish my habits. I kind of want to go for a walk today. It's going to be pretty nice. Yesterday it rained over 2.5 inches all day. It was crazy. It was nuts. It does not rain like that here. But we're trained where I live in the Texas Panhandle to whenever it rains, you just put your eyes up to the sky and you say, "Thank you, Lord, for the rain." You can't complain about it because it doesn't happen very often, but it was really nice, actually. It was a cozy day for sure. Okay, so I think that's it for today. I'm just going to work on a couple things around the house, chill out a little bit. I enjoyed my extra hour of sleep, and just finish up my list. And then next week, I'll just kind of like focus on my cleaning and all that, and just take a little break from filming, and then I'll be back at it next week. So there will be a break in here somewhere. I just don't know when exactly. I'm going to skip a week, but it'll happen somewhere. Okay, I'll see you in just a bit to finish up the spread with some memory keeping and some pictures. Let's finish up this spread. This turned out super cute and I really love it. Okay, I've got my Tombow adhesive tape. I'm going to get these pictures down and I'll be right back. Okay, those are all down. I did rearrange this little section a little bit just so I could have that little sticker right on top. Okay, so I'm going to grab one of these candles from the Crafty Banana. I don't even know if she's doing the candles anymore, but I have them. I'm using my collection, and these are really cute. So let me see if I can find one that kind of matches a little bit. I want the black flame candle, because why not? So, favorite moment of this week was probably Halloween, and getting to see the boys all dressed up and looking all cute. They were having the best time. Okay, I have this little section here that I want to fill in because it's going to bother me if I don't. And I think this will fit pretty well. Okay, let me get this in here real quick. Okay, I'm going to switch to this one because I didn't realize this was right next to it. Okay, that works. So, favorite moment back over here. Yeah, I'm going to put Halloween just with the boys. They just had the best time. And this spread is finished. Oh, okay, so this turned out super cute. I really love this. I hope that you enjoyed it as well. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And I'll see you next week. Bye!